quick iPhone vlog today. We are gonna go get kiddos something to eat at McDonald's, going to Toys R Us, let her run around. We're gonna get sushi for lunch and then we're gonna come back home and get back to work. Let's see how this all works out. Grabbing kiddos food, Shamrock Shakes are back. We are at Toys R Us now. We're gonna let Aniela run around. My Shamrock Shake didn't even make it to the second destination. Mind you, this is only 5 minutes away. We're inside Toys R Us. We found some Game of Thrones guys. What did you see? Oh wow. The box is bent. And this one has a scratch in it, but I might get it anyways. Yeah. She found Mystery 3000. Servo. How can you pass up servo? Alright, ever since we got back, it's been raining. Snow's all melted. It's been raining for 2 days. Look at that, our backyard's flooded. I got the fan boat set up. We're gonna try to give it a try, see if it'll float. And let's just get back to work. Oh, it's stuck. I gotta go out there. This sucks. Man, so look at all that mud. It is just way deep. My feet are drenched. Here, my feet are already drenched, but look at how deep it is. Oh my god. My feet are already drenched, so I don't really care right now. But it wasn't that deep, it wasn't that bad. It was fun though. Fan boat got around a little bit. It's still supposed to rain today, so if it gets more flooded down here, I'll do another filming session. But that's it for this little phone vlog. All iPhone footage except for the GoPro at the end. Hope you guys dug it. Thanks again for watching. If you want to see other unboxings or how I lost this boat at first, check the links in the corner. I'll have some more links at the end of the video. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video or stream. Later. Dang, my feet are wet.
Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam?